Hello everybody, today I am now on a pit stop on the airport in Copenhagen and I thought I'd go live. I finally can go live and there's something special that's here. It's not the people, but I saw something very nice and here it is. It's the Lego Formula 1 car. It's a car totally built from Lego stones. If you can see it. And this is very nice. Of course, sponsored by some. But you can see the Lego stones. Of course, the tires are not real, but not from Lego real. But here they made one. Some Formula 1 collection signage. And it's a McLaren. Wow. I think you cannot really sit into it. There's a guy in red protecting it. But wow. Look at this. Very nice, huh? So yeah, I'm here. We're on the way to secret place. I don't know if you see the spot with the orange suitcase. But we're having a stop over to the destination. So yeah, this is it. We go again.
I love you.
So for just a glimpse. Somebody's taking a picture. I did not want to come in, so yeah, this is a bit the Copenhagen airport behind the security. Just for a glimpse. I did not plan to go online, but live, but here it is. So, that's it. Coming on. So, this is it. Okay, bye.